Hello friends, I am Dr. Nageshwar Rao. You are watching Online Professor. Today we are going to learn how to make Google quiz or a Google multiple choice question paper in Google Docs. First of all, you have to log in into your Gmail. Here Gmail Google Apps is there. Just go to the Google Docs, just click it, then you will be directed to Google Docs. Then come to the left top. Here this violet color forms is there, just click it. Then here there is no forms, previously I didn't made it, so take a blank form. So here this is the title of your question paper. So for example, I have a title here. For example, Online Professor Demo Examination 1, date 16 September 2020, time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. Any other instructions? For example, instructions, just I am copying here. Instructions: all answer all questions and each question carry 1 mark. So while the students are writing the question paper, then they have to enter with their email address. Then here we are making the question paper. For example, what does HRM stands for? You need not to make all A, B and C, D. Just you can paste. It will take all A, B, C, D. You need not to make all one by one. Okay. Then second one, for example, here you can click for the second one, or just you can make a copy or a duplicate. Just you will get it, then change the question. For example, second question, which one is not a recognized key skill of a management? Okay, so what are the skills? 4 skills here. Then I am taking simple, so it was taken 4. Then don't duplicate it, it will take another time, you have to delete. These are all 4 options. So simply you can make another one, just you can paste the all options and the question, isn't it? And automatically it will decide. When you are giving 4 options, the Google itself decide is it a multiple choice question or a short answer, isn't it? It will decide, so you need not to worry. For example, if you are giving a short answer, just make another one. For example, here if you want a short answer, isn't it? For example, what is the color of full moon? So it is a short answer. Then the students can write. So here this way you can make the question paper. Then after that, how you make this as a auto corrected or a auto correction, isn't it? Come to more settings, then preferences. So collect all email addresses, make it tick, and the default question points make it 1, or you can whatever you are giving, most of the time it is 1. And make all questions required, you can make it or you cannot, it is your choice. And come to other settings, general settings. Here collect the email address of the students or respondents always. then limit for one response only. The students are not allowed to write more than one time. Okay, the next one, respondents can edit after the submission. No, we are not allowing. And see summary charts and text responses, it's not required. Okay, then next come to presentation. Shuffle the question order. The questions orders will change from one student to another student, so make it tick. Then if you wanted to write any message here, confirmation message, you can write it. Your response has been recorded, you can write it. The next one, quiz, make it as a quiz. Then what happen, the immediately after the each submission the students will get the grade, or after your manual review the students will get the grades. So the next one, respondents can see missed questions, correct answers and point values. So disable this correct answers. Why? Because if you are giving this one, then what happen, the student may know it what is the right answer, later then he will inform to his friends. So make it disable. And point values, you can give the point values, no problem. How many marks are allocated for the question, they can know it. You can save. So right now the examination question paper demo is prepared. Okay, so here we can make some the decorations for the question paper. For example, here the customized theme, there is a image. For example, you can select a image. For example, yeah, here it is a pencil insert. So here there is a theme will apply to your question paper. Then you can select the colors. Swatch which color you want. If it is red, then you can get the red. Okay, then basic font size, you can choose the any font size or font style. Basic is good. The next one, okay, so there are 3 questions. Then what happen, we have to make it answer the key. So for example, what does HRM stands for? Human resourceful management, humanistic resource management, human relations management, human resource management. So human resource management is the correct answer. So done, we are giving the answer. This key is not visible to the student. Okay, so the next one, which one is not a recognized key? So writing skill is not a key skill of the manager. So we are giving the answer to writing skills. Done. So then it's a short answer. What is the color of a full moon? Isn't it? So we are giving the answer white. Then here make all other answers are incorrect. So make it done. After providing the key, then go to the preview here. This is the preview. You can see this will appear to the student. For example, online professor demo examination 1, date 16 September 2020, time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Instructions, answer all questions, each question carry 1 mark. Okay, the question paper is ready. We have to send it to the students. Okay, make it send. So come to here, you can send it to your mail. And second one, the link, you can make the shorten the URL. So this is the link, you can send it to the students and you can send it to your mail. So this is my demo mail. So I am sending this link to my mail, include form in email. Okay, So I will open a Gmail here. I received a Gmail. See, online professor demo examination. The students also can receive a email like this. So fill the Google form. So I am giving my, for example, a demo. Then what is the color of a moon? White. And what does HRM stands for? Human Resource Management. And which one is not recognized key skill of management? Writing skill. So the student can get the copy and submission. So we will come to the teacher's mail. See, I received a one response. Understand? How many marks I got? That student got 3/3. Understand? So all the questions are answered. So this way you can make the Google form, or you can make the quiz. So there is another one. For example, if you are making a question paper here, for example, it is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. How to stop the link after 11 o'clock? Disable this accepting response. Then the students cannot write the examination after 11 a.m. So this is the process. Otherwise, you can make a time limiter. Maybe you are not available in that time to open this Google form. It will take care of automatically. So this is the process of making Google forms. Okay. So this is the way we can make the Google quiz or a online examination, or you can insert the images, or you can insert the videos, and you can ask the questions from the image and questions from the video also. So this is the way we can make the online quiz with the help of Google Docs. So I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.